Okay, so today we're going to cover a functions check on our Echo Sport trigger. So if you've gotten through, you've installed your Echo Sport. Now you want to double check and make sure it's functioning as it should. Now here is safe in your standard safe mode. So you're going to make sure that you push your trigger lock lever forward, just like our AR2 trigger. AR2 and the Sport both have a trigger lock lever technology that will not allow the trigger to fire unless the carrier is home. So in our safe mode, we're going to push that trigger lock lever forward and give her a good little squeeze there. She's not firing. That's exactly what she's supposed to do. Now this Sport and the AR2 have two major differences. So the AR2 will have safe, semi-automatic mode, and then echo mode. The Sport is going to have safe and fire. So you got safe here and fire. Then you have semi-automatic mode here, and then that paddle's gonna flick over to echo mode on this side. So we're gonna keep her in semi-automatic mode for right now. We tested safe already. Once again, did not fire. Now we're up in fire mode. Now we're gonna push that trigger lock lever forward. It should drop. Okay, so it dropped right there. So once again, it dropped. Now we're going to cycle that hammer back and then let off. It's doing exactly what it should. It did not fire again when we released. Now we're going to kick it over to echo mode. So we got semi-automatic mode here, echo mode there. So now it's in echo mode. So we're going to do the same thing. Push trigger lock lever forward, fire. It fired how it's supposed to. Now we're going to cock that hammer back, and now we're going to release. It fired as it should. So it's going to fire on the pull of the trigger, fire on the release of the trigger. So now we're going to test the final function of it, and that's the negation of that second round. We're going to want to make sure that we can control this trigger every step of the way. So we're going to do our initial fire. So trigger lock lever forward, pulled the trigger, it fired. Now it's coming back. So we do not want to fire that second round. We keep it pulled back, and then we're going to move it from echo mode back over to semi-automatic mode. And as you can tell, it did not shoot that second shot. Now we can come right back to the trigger and fire again if we want to, but it negated that second round. It kept that second round from firing when we released, when we kept it pulled back and switched out of the mode. And then back to safe, and we fully function check this trigger.